Are you guys done?
Yes.
Reservoir, penstock, turbine, generator, transformer, power line. Wow! This is fantastic. I guess my tour will be as easy as turning water into words. We can start our tour now. This is what we call the reservoir.
I always wondered how they made it. It's so big.
Wait until you see the reservoir at the Kasombo Dam in Ghana. It's the biggest reservoir in Africa.
Wow.
And over there are the penstocks. Another fact, the penstocks in Kariba Dam in Zambezi River are as tall as a 10-story building.
Wow.
I'm happy I've figured out the problem and solved it. Now, it's time to bring back the power to Kokotoa. Baraka, I'm really proud of how you tried to bring electricity back to your home. Now, it's your chance to do something even bigger. Bring power back to the whole village. When you pull up this handle, the whole village of Kokotoa will have electricity again. What's wrong, Baraka? Isn't this what you wanted? The electricity?
Yes, but what if the power goes out again? Some people might be afraid of the dark. They might have a hard time sleeping.
Baraka, do you want to hear another fact?
Mm-hmm.
I know you're afraid of the dark.
You know?
Yes. From the very first day I heard you talking about electricity. Because I remember, I was just like you. It's okay to be scared, Baraka. There's no shame in that.
How did you make the fear go away?
I was open about it. Just tell the people you trust about the fear you have. They will always have your back because they love you.
Thank you. I'll tell my big brother and mom about it. And a delicious meal for my children, including the hero who brought back electricity to Kokotoa.
You have to tell everyone at school about it.
All right, let's eat. Mama, before we eat, I'd like to say something.
Mm-hmm.
When the power went out, I asked to sleep with the candle on because I felt ashamed to say, I'm scared of the dark.
Sorry.
Baraka, you don't need to feel ashamed. Everyone gets scared sometimes, and it's okay to feel that way. Even Koba was scared of the dark when he was a baby. I'm so proud of you for being brave enough to tell us how you feel. Let's eat first, and then after the meal, we'll figure out together how we can help you feel safe in the dark. Right, Koba?
Absolutely, Mama. Even Mwenda here agrees.